Hi everyone, Chef Marty Rich here from my mother's kitchen. It's really tiny, a little tiny cabin, one-bedroom cabin. But came here to talk to you today about zucchini. Went to Piggly Wiggly today, grabbed a few zucchini. A couple of things about zucchini I want to share with you. One is that zucchini is 95% water, so that poses a lot of problems when you cook it. I got a saute pan on here, and what I'm going to do is cook up a few slices. Just going to slice it into half moon shape, like this, about half an inch wide. And toss them in the pan here with a little oil. Show you what happens when you just try to saute the zucchini like this. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is zucchini is pretty bland, and so it benefits quite a bit from browning. Now, with the water, it poses a problem because the water comes out of the zucchini and it doesn't get brown, so it just stews in its own juices. Not really what you're looking for here. Just going to slice up the rest of this while we're at it. And so there's a couple of ways to get around this. Another different way to deal with zucchini is the box grater. I'm sure you have one of these somewhere. Ours was way up on the shelf here. But you can take the zucchini on the box grater. My cameraman's not here today, so be patient with me. Try to do two things at once here. Well, doesn't look like that's going to happen. So, okay, let me just put it down here. You know what to do. We're just going to grate it on the box grater, large holes, and this is what we got. Okay, so now that you've grated your zucchini, you want to take a piece of towel, paper towel, put the zucchini inside, and wring the water out of it. About 25% of the water you can get out of the zucchini by doing this. Let's check our zucchini slices here. Not much happening in the pan. A little browning. Not too bad. But, so the point here is that if you can get the water out of the zucchini, I'll show you right here. Comes apart, separates really easy. You can saute this up really quick. Couple of zucchini, or one zucchini and one summer squash. You do the same thing with the summer squash, or a zucchini and grate some carrot. The carrot doesn't have nearly as much water in it, so you don't need to wring that out. But if you saute them both together, nice color. You got the orange and the green and the white going on here. It cooks in a flash. So, boom, you've got a side dish in a matter of minutes, but you've got to wring it out. The other way to do it is to the slices like I showed you earlier. You can salt it with kosher salt and whatnot, but I know what you're thinking already. The doctor said no more salt. Well, let me tell you something. Quit eating processed food and you won't have so much salt in your diet. Okay. Well, this so far is really blowing away my theory here because it's browning up pretty good. But anyway, there's a couple tips for you for zucchini. It's out in season right now. Go out and buy some. You can prepare it. I prefer the shred because it cooks up really quick, and like I said, you got a lot of color there and you don't have to worry so much about the water. Stay tuned for more tips from your produce aisle. Thank you.